Hey, what are you making today?
So today we're going to make an egg cups with asparagus, tomatoes, and cheese.
All things I like.
Yeah,
That
and
asparagus looks like asparagus I grew in my garden.
yeah,
Our
this
garden, I should say.
this is from our garden. 6 asparagus here that we're going to blanch in the boiling pot.
Yeah.
So while we're boiling our pot today, we are also going to turn on our oven to 350 degrees. All right. If you guys want it more healthy, you can cut this into pieces and then mix it in your eggs. We're going to make this more interesting and lovely. So first, I'm going to just set aside for now since the water is still boiling. So come on down here, let's show them on how we going to blanch this over here in the pot. Okay, so we had the pot here boiling already. So Rich, can you tell them how to blanch this asparagus here?
Basically, you put the asparagus in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, you take it out and you put it in ice cold water so
Okay.
it doesn't continue to cook.
Let's do the timer. We'll just do 3 minutes. Alright, we already have the 350 oven right there. Let's show it to them right there. So it's already set. So while our oven is preheated to 350 and our asparagus is boiling right now, so don't forget, Rich, we have to put salt on it too, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, a little salt in there.
yeah, a little bit of salt, and then we're going to slice these tomatoes.
Yummy fresh tomato.
I know this is not from your garden though.
No, it's a little early to get any tomatoes yet.
Yeah, right.
Especially since I haven't planted them.
Only the asparagus is, we have it in our garden because asparagus are usually early.
When they come back every year.
Yeah, they come back every year. We already harvested about maybe 3 bunch of it.
Yeah, 3 bunches.
3 bunches, I mean. And we went to the store yesterday. A bunch of asparagus cost like $4.99 or some are like $3.99 each. So it's really good to have some freshness in your garden so you can also save some money. In this one, we're just dicing our tomato. So we have this asparagus, guys, that is already boiled for 3 minutes. Just put this on the cold water right there.
Yeah, that'll keep it from continuing to cook even after it's out of the pot.
Yeah, you can also use like just put ice and water on it, but you can also just use regular cold water because they're cold already, so the cooking process will not continue, so you have crunchy asparagus.
It's better when it's crunchy.
That's right. So just right there.
So what are you doing now? Mixing up the eggs?
Yes. So this is the next steps. So I'm using 6 eggs on this one because we also have 6 muffin pans.
Oh, there's 6. Oh, you got a 6 muffin pan, so
Yeah,
1 for each pan. There you go.
that's right. But
That means I'll have some leftover to eat for breakfast tomorrow. How about that?
that's right. So just eyeball it when you pour it in the pan. So how about we will put some
Salt and pepper.
salt and pepper. So salt. Just put like half a teaspoon of salt. And then half a teaspoon of pepper. You can
put
add,
more than that in there for me.
you like a lot of pepper.
I like it hot.
And you can put more like seasoning if you want to, but my husband and my daughter, we all like just like to put salt and pepper here. All right.
I'll add my hot sauce after it's cooked.
And we're going to use cheese also.
The cheddar.
We're not gonna forget this. This is really good.
Cheese never hurts anything.
I know. It always adds up some deliciousness in your recipe or anything that you like to eat. Alright, yum yum.
It seems like a fairly simple recipe for something that's kind of unique.
I know. And guys, this is the time that you can also add your chopped asparagus and the tomatoes.
You know, mixing the tomatoes and asparagus in with the eggs wouldn't bother me, but our teenager, on the other hand, that would probably bother her. That's
Exactly.
The picky one. That's the picky one.
Spray this with the oil spray, or you can just put some like butter on it. So guys, these are our mixed eggs. You can add mushroom on it. You can add any vegetables that you want just to make your recipe healthy, okay?
Next time we're going to add some bell peppers.
So just like try to put 2/3 full, just like when you're making some muffins. And then if you have some extras, you can just add it to the rest of the muffins. Some people use
You're going to
butter.
have enough to make a seventh one.
Seventh one. So guys, if you don't have the heart-shaped pan like mine, you can use a standard muffin pan, and the 6 eggs should fit on the 6 muffin pan that is like a standard one, okay? So our oven is already set to 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. So just depending on the oven, so just keep an eye on it. We're going to put a timer now. We're going to plant now our asparagus here in our egg cups. So this is just about like 2 inches each asparagus. So we're just gonna put it over there on top.
It makes it look like it's got a palm tree coming out of it.
Yeah. So this is for our daughter who's really picky with food, but you know, just to encourage her more healthy. So this is what I usually do. She said, I will eat it, Mom, as long as it's not flooded with lots of vegetables. So we're just going to put the tomatoes here, just like that. Look how pretty is that. But guys, if you already put this asparagus
mixed it into the eggs.
ahead of time, yeah, if you already mix it with the eggs ahead of time, take it out from the oven, that's already cooked. Now we're going to add some salt again. Pepper. Alright. So I already baked this for 25 minutes, and then I will put it in the oven again for another 2 minutes just to give a little bit of cooking time on the tomatoes. So guys, look at this. Smells so good. So let's try this one here.
Yummy.
Yes.